Heat a pressure cooker, boil 500 ml water. Add 500 ml water. Add 1 cup soyabean granules. 1 cup soyabean granules. Boil complete perfectly. Boil soyabean granules. Chunks. Wash 1 cup rice 2 to 3 times. Wash 1 cup rice 2 to 3 times. Discard this water. Throw this water. Now use the fresh water. Now use the fresh water to wash the rice 2 to 3 times. Do this step 2 to 3 times. Heat 1 by 4 cup oil. Heat 1 by 4 cup oil. 1 bay leaf. 1 inch cinnamon stick. 1 star anise. 1 bay leaf. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 by 4 teaspoon mace powder. 2 circular red chilli. Fry these all whole spices in oil for 1 minute. Bay leaf, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, mace, dry red chilli, cumin seeds, cinnamon stick. Fry all in oil for 1 minute on the low gas. Now add 2 onion. Fry 2 onion golden brown. Fry 2 onion golden brown. Fry 2 onion golden brown. In plate there are 2 onions. Fry 2 onion golden brown. Add 1 bay leaf, 1 star anise in boiling water. It is 1 liter water. Add rice, washed 1 cup rice. Add bay leaf, star anise, washed 1 cup rice. Add salt to taste and boil rice 100%. Add salt to taste, bay leaf, star anise and rice in water. Frying onion golden brown, boiling soyabean seeds increase in size. Onion fried golden brown. Now we will add spices. So spices are salt to taste, half teaspoon red pepper, half teaspoon mango powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon biryani masala, 1 by 4 teaspoon turmeric. Add all the plate spices in the onion and cook spices on the low gas for 1 minute. So that spices give a good color and taste to the rice. Cook spices on the low gas for 1 minute. Now we will add tomatoes. So add 2 chopped tomatoes. Add 2 chopped tomatoes. Cook tomatoes very well until meshy, pulpy and ooze out the oil. Keep on stirring occasionally. Fry on medium flame. Fry tomatoes very well. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Cook tomatoes very well until meshy, pulpy, ooze out the oil. Add boiled soyabean along with the water. Only 1 cup water left in the pressure cooker. So added soyabean granules along with the water. Mix soyabean granules and tomatoes. Now we will cover and cook on the low gas 10 to 15 minutes so that spices goes inside the soyabean chunks. Cover, cook on the low gas. After 10 minutes, add 3 tablespoons fresh green coriander. Add fresh green coriander after opening. Now we will cover and cook 1 minute on the low gas so that the green coriander fragrance and freshness goes inside the vegetable. Mix the green coriander with the soya bean. Now we will cover for 1 minute so that freshness. After 1 minute open it. Now we will add the layer of the rice, boiled and strained rice. Now add the layer of the rice on the top of the soya bean. Then we will, after adding a layer of the rice, then we will simmer on the low gas for 5 minutes. So I added all the rice of the plate. Total 1 cup rice I added here. 1 cup rice. Now cover and simmer on the low gas for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we will meet. After 5 minutes serve the rice. It's ready to serve after 5 minutes. See, yummy biryani, yummy soyabean chunk rice are ready to enjoy. Yummy soyabean chunk rice are ready to enjoy. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Your views matters a lot. Press bell icon button. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Your views matters a lot. Press bell icon button. Thank you.